Today I'm showing you a sponge cake. Not just sponge cake, a chocolate sponge cake. Very fluffy, soft and a beautiful dark color. Don't waste time. Let's go on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. Let's make this sponge cake together. The Black Forest sponge cake. Onto a bowl, place a strainer, 2 cups of flour, that means 240 grams, dark chocolate 50 grams, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt. Strain all the mix. Make sure you strain it. We don't need a lump of chocolate when you have a bite of a beautiful cake. 400 grams of sugar. Combine well and set it aside. Onto a bowl, 1 cup of milk, half cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, crack 2 pieces of eggs. Make sure you measure everything properly. Give a quick mix. Add the wet mix to the dry mix batch by batch. Combine well. Make sure we don't have any lumps. Now the most important ingredient. We need 1 cup of hot black coffee. Make sure it is hot. Add to the mix. Combine well. You can see a very thin batter. Don't worry. It will be thin, but when it's baked, it will be beautiful moist cake. We need 2 9-inch pan. Put a parchment paper on the bottom. Preheat the oven to 350 degree Fahrenheit. Divide the batter into 2 molds. Make sure you measure it and divide it. When it's ready, place inside the oven. Bake for 35 minutes. Which type of oven we are using? There will be a light change in the cooking time. So make sure you check it before and remove it, cool it down, or remove the parchment paper and the mold. You will get a beautiful, dark, soft, moist sponge cake like this. You can decorate however you need and enjoy. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just make sure you